everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn and Apply with Moy. Today we are going to learn logical functions. Some logical functions kicking in. There are several types of logical functions like and, or, not, if any, if error, true, false, is blank, is even, is error, is formula, is logical, is any, is number, is odd, is text.
These are all the logical functions we are going to learn today. So let's just start.
So here I have taken the denominator from the first order data set to be
Subcategory, profit, quantity and sales. And then I have done subcategory and I am finding out the sales while using VLOOKUP.
So this is my parent table. This is my parent table in this sheet,
And this is my
output.
so first let's decide and function.
Now, and if G2 is greater than 40, G2 is which is profit, and J2 which is true, and J2
This less than 270 which is also true. This is true. So this has returned me true value.
But suppose if any of this condition is not true, let's say this is greater than 270, then it will return me
False. As you can see, because if any of the condition is wrong, then in that case and function and logical function returns false.
So let's just go back to in this panel. Now that is our function.
G3 greater than 220, which is false, and I3 is greater than
800, which is also false. So this will be main false line. But if we make positive line, you can say. But if any of the condition is true, let's say
G3. Let's say I3 is less than
800, and this will be made
true value. Okay. So if any of the condition in the case of odd is true,
then in this case I3 is less than 800, this is true, while other one is false, then it will return me true value. Next is not function, not G4 equal to 7. This is G4.
this is G4.
If it is equal to 7, yes, but
They are saying not. So this is return false.
similarly we can say G4 greater than 7, when this will return true. But G4 is greater than 7.
No, G4 is greater than 7. No, that is false. And not of false.
With true one. Next here, if G4 is less than 5, and return I4. This is G4 is less than 5, less than 5, then return I4. Sorry, it's not less than 5, it is 7. Less than 7. Then return I4, that is 0.
So this is 0. Now next is if any.
So where you see,
I have calculated the sales value from this parent data in this sheet using VLOOKUP. My lookup value is in K2 and it is from subcategory table. So the column in this number will be 4. So for this one there is no data, that is there is no false values, it will give me NA.
so people will give me NA. Now, if I do if NA of S6, that is this one, not found, so then struck me not found. Similarly, if I do if error of weight 7, it's not found,
So it will return me not found.
it comes true. True function I4 greater than 10. With I4, 15. that is greater than so 2 value. Then we have I5 greater than 60, which is false. Suppose if I change this to G3 greater than 60,
which is true. Then we have is blank. Or if I say G3 less than 260, this will give me false.
is blank. Is blank of any value like E5. There's no value in E5, so it's blank. It's true.
Is blank
It's true. Is even. Is even of G5, you can see. Or you can give any number. Like the even of B is false.
Or is an engine of 6 should be true.
Is error. Is error of the L6 in 6 then error. Is formula
B2. B2, that is this one. This is a formula. So this is true. Is logical. 5 is just a test or a numerical number, so this is not logical. To make it true, we can write, let's say G3 greater than 100. So this is a logical value, logical function, true.
Is NA. Aware is NA and 6 or you can give it 7. Return true. Is number. This here. This is a text value, putting down number, so return false. Is odd, a pay number, you can give the even number, so this is return false. Is text, any number you can give, this is a number, but not text. To make it true, you can write any like this will give true. So that's all. In the case of logical function, we learn several functions. And no, not, error, till is not, is text. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel to learn more such functions in future. So my next video will be on STD function. And after that I will post my next match. Till then, happy learning, all the best. And